Hi friends, welcome to Telugu Arinad. Friends, I am going to make a video on TCS NQT interview experience shared by some of the candidates of 2020-21 passed outs. Some candidates completed their interview. Some are going to be complete. They are giving the schedule before the night. If you have tomorrow interview, they are giving this night. Like that schedule be happening. Might be a gap of 15 hours, 22 hours, like that only. So be prepared for it. So keep on checking your mail for further updates. If you have got the mail as shortlisted, so keep checking your mail. For TCS NQT, there are 3 rounds. One was technical round, second one was managerial round, and third one was HR round. There are three panels. After completion of TR, then MR, and then HR. In the some candidates only have TR and HR. Some candidates only have TR. It depends upon the time schedule of the interviewers. Points to be remembered before appearing for interview. 3 documents are necessary before you are appearing for interview. Government ID proof, SSC, intermediate or diploma, graduation, all semester mark list. Up to which semester you are completed, that mark semester list you have to be in soft copy within your system. And also CV or resume. It also should be in soft copy in your system. Along with that, government ID proof you have to show to them while interview was going on. Before the interview was conducted, they are asking about the government ID proof. You have to show them before the starting of interview. You should be appear for interview in formal dress code and make sure that you have the good internet facility. If you don't have internet facility, switch to that internet facility and appear for interview. Keep on checking your email frequently because they are announcing before one day. So be prepared for it. And also know the technical part in NQT exam which was written by you. There might be chances of asking to write a program given by you. Like that questions also be occur. So be prepared for it. And also there might be a chances of asking related C programming MCQ questions. Some of the questions asked in TR. Tell me about yourself. This is the first and foremost question. In this you can mention your name and your academic details. You can mention your projects and workshops. You can mention your extracurricular activities, and also if you have done any event managements like that also you can mention. Apart from that, you can mention your internship details. What's your dream job? Where you want to see yourself in next 5 years? Can you tell me about the technologies used in your project? Like that also question be occur. And also be aware of the what are the skills you are mentioned in resume. And also programming languages, they are going to ask questions related to it. If you mention C, C++, Java, they ask questions related to it. If you mention C, they ask related questions on C. Programming questions in tier. If you mention C, they ask about what are pointers, what is dangling pointer, what is array, what is a linked list, what is a data structure, what are functions, what is string. They also ask basic programming questions like leap year, palindrome, addition of two numbers, prime number, Armstrong number, factorial, even odd or Fibonacci series, pattern printing programs. You have to prepare the basic programming questions. If you mention Java, they ask related to Java questions. They can ask OOPS concepts. Why OOPS concepts is necessary in industry? Define a basic SDLC. Write a program using encapsulation on polymorphism. Like that questions also occur. So be prepared for it. If you mention SQL, they are asking about DML comments, DDL comments, difference between the DDL comments and DML comments. About truncate, left outer join, right outer join. For some students, might be a common questions in MR plus TR. They have the only one TR. After that, HR was conducted. In that, by machine learning, what is cloud computing, what is artificial intelligence, and latest technologies, OOPS concepts. Why do we need OOPS? Explain about OOPS concepts. What are abstract classes? Can you define a ballpoint pen in software terminology? This is interesting right now. DML and DDML comments. Which is mentioned? C, C++, Python. C++ is faster because it has high execution speed. If you are from IT background, know the basics of all programming languages because you already learnt about the all programming languages in your subjects. One question asked for my friend. He told in programming languages only C. He is from non-IT background. C is enough for coming to IT field. Like that question asked for my friend. Apart from C, know the basics of another language like C++, Java. Whatever you say it with confidence. They ask silly questions to test your confidence. For some students, as you are an ECE student, why are you coming to IT field? What is encapsulation? What is polymorphism? What is diamond problem? They are also asking general questions like how many students are in your college? This is silly. Is there any manholes in your college? Why the manhole is in circular shape? For a non-IT background student, they are asking core related questions. If you, for suppose you are an ECE student, they are asking about what is transistor, what is resistor, what is capacitor, what is AM, what is FM. So prepare everything of your core. For an triple student, they ask questions about what is induction motor, what is the principle of induction motor, how it works, what is generator, what is transformer, what are the components included in the fan. If you answer that question, they are asking questions on that. Like that exam scenario is going on. So before appearing for interview, know the basics of your core subjects. Some students only got questions on programming languages. They are known. They are not asking about the core subjects. Some students are getting questions on their core fields. You have to know the clear cut idea of your project. You have to explain your project. Like that questions also be occur. They can also ask, write a code of your project. Whatever you say it with confidence and keep smiling. After the completion of TR and MR, HR may happen. In this, they are asking some of candidates, introduce yourself and also what you have done in this waiting period before appearing for the interview. How much time you are waiting for this interview. As you are non-IT background, why are you coming to this IT background? What is your dream job? Why TCS? What do you know about TCS? Who is the CEO of TCS? How many employees are in TCS? Are you willing to relocate? What's your dream job? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Are you okay with night shift? How will you handle the situation if your friend or colleague has a serious health issue? Mention in a positive manner and confidence. In the HR, they are going to check your adaptability nature and team working skills and how confident you are. What are you saying in interview? Say it with confidence and keep smile on face. Don't shy. Don't feel nervous. Attend a mock interview with your friends or speak in front of mirror to avoid your stage fear. Tell me the reasons to reject you. Say it with smart way. By seeing academics, you can reject me. This is my quite and good. You can join Telegram group of my channel Telugu All You Need by searching Telugu All You Need in Telegram group, or else I will provide link in the description. By that link you can join. You can also join discussion group of my channel Telugu All You Need off campus discussion group. You can discuss any doubts regarding this. If you have any doubts, comments, suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching Telugu All You Need. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting updates.